Hello all and welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover key differences between Amazon RDS automated backups and manual snapshots. Amazon RDS automated backups are AWS initiated. Backups are created automatically as per the defined backup window. Backups are also created when you create a read replica. Amazon RDS DB snapshots are manual, user-initiated backups that enable a DB instance to be restored to that specific state at any time. In terms of instance deletion and backup retention period, Amazon RDS backups can be configured with a backup retention period varying from 1 day to maximum 35 days. RDS automated backups are deleted when the DB instance is deleted. However, RDS can now be configured to retain the automated backups on RDS instance deletion. These backups would still be retained only till their backup retention window. RDS snapshots don't expire, and RDS keeps all manual DB snapshots until explicitly deleted, and they aren't subject to the backup retention period. In terms of the backup mode, RDS backups are incremental. The first snapshot of the DB instance contains the data for the full database, and subsequent backups of the same database are incremental, which means that only the data that has changed after your most recent backup is saved. RDS snapshots are always full. Point-in-time recovery or PITR. RDS automated backups with transaction logs help support point-in-time recovery or PITR. You can restore your DB by rewinding it back to a specific time that you choose. RDS snapshots restore to saved snapshot only. It cannot be used for PITR. In terms of sharing, RDS automated backups cannot be shared. You can copy the automated backup to a manual snapshot to share. RDS manual snapshots can be shared to public and with other AWS accounts. In terms of use cases, RDS automated backups are good for disaster recovery, whereas RDS snapshots can be used for checkpoint before making large changes, non-production test environments, and final copy before deleting a database. So that's it for a quick comparison of RDS automated backups and manual snapshots. I hope you liked it. Thank you all. Alright, that was it. Thank you for watching. You can check out my website and connect me on LinkedIn and Twitter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. For any feedback, please leave a comment down below. To see more videos like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.